How to download voice message on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's open up the Instagram application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, what you can do is tap on the DM section, which is right now at the bottom of the section. This is the latest version of the app as well. Then go to the voice message that you want to download. Now as you can see, we have this voice message. Now when you make a long press on the voice message, you cannot see any option to download. You can see the option of reply, delete for you and report, but there's no option to download it. So what we are going to do is we're going to tap on the screen recorder option over here. So just make sure you turn on the screen recorder and then play this music or play this voice message and then record it, and then you'll be able to download the voice message on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.